Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding Bad Blood. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or songs: bad blood. Understanding these kinds of phrases can really enrich your comprehension and expression in English. So, let's explore what bad blood means and how you can use it in your everyday English. The phrase, bad blood, refers to feelings of hostility, resentment, or mistrust between people. It's often used when there's a long history of negative feelings, perhaps due to past conflicts or disagreements. Imagine two family members who haven't spoken in years because of an old argument. That's a classic example of bad blood. Tracing back to its origins, bad blood has a literal and metaphorical history. Historically, the term was used in a medical context, suggesting that bad or diseased blood could affect a person's temperament. Over time, this phrase evolved to represent the figurative idea of lingering resentment or ill feelings between individuals or groups. Now, let's see how to use bad blood in everyday conversation. Here are a few examples. 1. After the lawsuit, there was bad blood between the two companies. 2. They tried to reconcile, but there was too much bad blood to overcome. 3. The feud created bad blood within the community. Notice how bad blood is used to describe situations where the negative history impacts current relationships or interactions. Understanding synonyms or similar phrases can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few related terms: bitterness, resentment, animosity, feud, ill will. Each of these carries a slightly different nuance but can be used in similar contexts. I hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of bad blood. Remember, phrases like these add color and depth to your English, making your communication more effective and authentic. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use bad blood in your conversations where appropriate. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.